Welcome to Distorted Foods, as we take you through some of the great foods featured in the upcoming novel
Distorted Perception.
My personal favorite, Sancocho. The first thing we need is a chicken. Second, hot peppers. Something called ñame, sort of a Latin American yam, but the white one, not the yellow stuff. That's no good. 3, yuca. Olive oil, salt, black pepper, onions, carrots, oregano, cilantro or culantro. Preferably, if you can get it, you want culantro, which is a longer leaf vegetable. But in enough quantities, cilantro can substitute just fine. But you gotta use a lot of it. The first step, we need to cut this chicken up and get into the pot.